To check your attendance, follow these steps. Log into the ERP dashboard. Click on the Leave and Attendance section at the top of the page. From there, select the Attendance option. Next, click on My Attendance. You can now view your attendance record for the entire month. By following these steps, you can easily access and monitor your attendance details on the ERP system. Steps to apply for leave. Log into the ERP dashboard. Click on the Leaves and Attendance option at the top of the page. Click on the Leave option. Click on the Request for Leave tab. Choose the type of leave you are applying for, e.g., optional, casual. Indicate the number of days or hours you will be unavailable for due to the leave. Select the specific dates for your leave period using the provided calendar feature. In the description field, briefly explain the reason for your leave. After filling in all necessary details, click on the Submit button to send your leave application for approval. To retract or take back a leave request, follow these steps. Log into the ERP dashboard. Click on the Leave and Attendance section at the top of the page. Click on the Leave option. Click on My Leave Status. This will provide you with an overview of your current leave requests and their statuses. In the top right corner of the page, you should find an option to claim it back. Click on this option to initiate the process of retracting your leave request. Follow any additional prompts or instructions to confirm the retraction of your leave request. Please note that this option is typically available only before the scheduled leave date. Steps to check salary slip. Log into the ERP dashboard. Click on the Employee and Skills section at the top of the page. Click on the My Info option. At the bottom, you'll find the option to view and download your recent salary slips. Please note that only the salary slips for the last 3 months are accessible on our ERP system. If you require salary slips for periods beyond this time frame, kindly contact the Accounts department for assistance. Steps to check Pride and offers. Access the ERP system using your username and password. Scan the home page for an option labeled Pride, typically located at the right corner of the screen. It might be represented by an icon. Click to the Pride section. You will be able to access and explore the offers and utility services available within the system's interface. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the appropriate department or support team.